Developing a weight loss routine that works for you. You may be thinking that losing weight is an impossible task. You may feel that you will never lose weight. Well, guess what? Losing weight is a lot more attainable than you may think. You need to be aware that it will not be easy, but as long as you develop a routine and practice a lot of discipline, it is possible that you will be able to lose weight as well as burn fat. No matter what all the myths may tell you, there is not fast way for you to lose weight. There are even a lot of products that different companies may try and sell you, but you will soon they will not work and they will become a total waste of your money. In this economy, who can afford to waste money? So if happen to be just looking for a quick way for you to lose weight, you better start rethinking that goal, because it simply will not happen. You will basically need to beef up your knowledge on weight loss and put forth a lot of effort to obtain the goals that you are looking for. For a healthy weight loss program, you should not plan on losing more than a pound a week. However, this will based on your total size. If you happen to be a larger individual, then you may lose more than a pound, but as you get closer to your weight loss goals, you will notice that your weight loss will begin to even out. In order for you to lose the weight that you are after, your body will need to lose 3,500 calories just to lose 1 pound. When you are trying to lose weight, you will need to watch your total overall calorie intake. When you begin consuming fewer calories and in turn begin to burn more calories, you will begin to see the pounds decrease. Here are a few steps that you can take to help you achieve your weight loss by setting up a weight loss routine. 1. Calculate your total body fat. When you first begin your weight loss routine, you will need to begin by calculating your overall body fat. What the body fat means is simply the ratio of fat that you have in comparison to the rest of the body. There are places online that can provide you with a body fat calculator of calipers that will help you calculate your body fat. 2. Goals. Once you have your total body fat calculated, you are now ready to set your weight loss goals. These goals will be based on the amount of pounds that you are looking at losing. Once you have your goal in mind, you need to sit back and think about this one simple question that you need to be asking yourself. Am I truly committed to losing the amount of weight that I have set for myself? If you have put some serious thought into this and your answer is yes, then you are well on your way. Now remember, losing weight is not a hard concept for you to grasp. You will just need to put forth a lot of effort as well as discipline to reach your goal. You will have to work out daily by lifting weights and doing such things as cardio exercises. You will also need to remove all the junk food you have laying around and replace it with healthy alternatives that are low in calories. These are all great steps to beginning your weight loss routine.